Say something?
Nope.
Fluffy dog.
Elementary! Probably our favorite Slender game.
Sure.
Can you see everything? Can you?
No.
Find 8 teddy bears.
Why you tilted the screen?
So the microphone will better pick up our voice. Whee!
Alright.
Long corridor. I'm tired of crap. Ah! Now, so everything's going to scare me! Oh
I'm
god.
trying to think of something to say.
I knew that was gonna come too.
Ha. I don't got anything to say. Yeah.
Say what you feel, man.
I feel empty.
I'm hungry.
My silence is creeping me out.
No. My hunger is creeping me out.
How long have you felt this way?
I know. What way?
Being creeped out by your hunger?
No, I meant what way to go.
Oh. That way. Obviously, there's just Taylor there to fool Jesse.
Oh god.
Just a mission.
What? Oh, stupid piano player is like, what will I do to creep them out the most?
They the same over.
I'm scared now.
I'm tired.
Me too. I'm really hot too. No, it's just a dead guy.
Maybe that guy's head is the little head for somewhere else.
Have we just won?
Yeah, that's it. Slenderman's gonna scare my dick off.
Okay. I didn't know if it was detachable.
That's how much Slenderman's gonna
Okay, we got 5 so far.
scare. What you doing now?
I know where the 6th one is.
I know we're all
You fucking tell me.
We're in a school?
You do that every time.
Like, forget. Seriously, Spider-Man could have known that we were coming through there, so couldn't you just stand on the other side of the door? Can't watch. I can't watch. I can.
I don't know where to go.
Oh god, I fought that board with Spider-Man.
I know, I'm just like, I'm just gonna go over here. Oh, fuck, anyway. Meow. Yep. Fuck! Oh my god! If we could get outside.
Hey, zipper's down!
No! I knew the 8th one was gonna be 2!
Get up.
It's the closest we've ever came!
Yeah.
Ah!
I'm gonna attach you, get out of the damn chair.
I think that's enough for today.
No, yes. Yes, why?
God damn it all. Fuck everything in the face! Ah!
Show you how a player does it.
Don't fuck with my laptop. See? Look how sweaty! There's just sweat everywhere! Shut the fuck up, you're a Japanese school! Mr. Gnome here exited out of the game, so we had to go back and... yeah, that's why
I don't know who you are, but you just had a tantrum.
the video just... jump. Stop clicking, and it'll get there. Round 2 of elementary. Lord Totoro
Mr. No.
and Mr. Gnome here. Ugh. Almost found all 8 teddy bears. Fuck you, Slenderman.
I don't want to play. No, you won't! You stay here! If I die, you die too!
But I'm thirsty!
Die first, I don't give a fuck! Serious. This is like...
What?
What is something that you know it's bad for you, but you do it anyway? Fuck.
Drinking? Chocolate?
I was gonna say eating candy.
I was close, I said chocolate.
Chocolate.
2 out of 8 pieces.
I'm gonna fucking kill you. I'm walking through a hallway, scared, holding my kids.
There's a dead guy.
Touch his pee-pee. Good luck.
Oh, look. Stop it!
I love a challenge.
You can do it, Gnome. Do it.
Oh my god. That's one now. He like never scares you.
He doesn't do that.
Where?
Be careful. Okay. Quick, before the head there, it's just like, Slenderman, you got to Shreddy! That's all I'm asking. Thank you.
fucking Teddy!
Oh god. Go! Go!
Fuck you! With a dirty cob dome. I hope I keep you to class. That's over. I'm gonna eat your babies! I'm gonna steal your baby and say no! No!
No pedophilia, Slender.
Oh, he's so gonna get me now.
Slender, no pedophilia.
I don't wanna play.
You can do it, man. You can do it.
Stop massaging me. It only makes it worse.
I think there's like 3 left, and you know one's outside.
You wanna do a quick switch? I don't think my heart can handle it.
I'm here for you. I've already been in here. The other side.
Shut up. I'm crying. Better than Slender Man. Get me over here. Oh god. Fuck you!
God damn it, we were so close.
5. You got 7.
We were so close!
One more.
One more try.
Go nip this cow.
Carnivorous cow?
You want to try?
Fuck.
That's 7.
Let's fuck it up.
You
fat elephant seat!
Should I tell him what that noise was?
You're the temper tank. Understand.
You had a temper You're not a geisha.
Could be.
No, you're supposed to raise your eyebrows and say a cookie.
I think we're turning Japanese.
Stop, no racism.
Go this way! First, let's get the one that's outside.
I do not acknowledge that.
Hey, let's go! Hey, let's go!
I used to be an adventurer until I took a Slender Man to the knee.
There's a dude in a tree.
I just need
Hey, let's go! Hey, let's go! There's children over. Now I can fucking see!
Imagine how you can't see with a flashlight.
Let's loot the bench. Is he out here?
How did I miss
This one.
That's it, right? This is gonna be fun. I give it like this.
Calm yourself, Iago.
No, bird.
Damn it!
I know the that Lauren had to go. For you?
Meow! Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Oh fuck!
That was scary. I mean, scary. I sound like a total dick, don't I?
Look, there's a dead body that's been totally skinned over there.
Ew. Is that a child? I don't think so. In the doorway. Get you to the fifth try.
One more dick!
Get you, you children. Oh shit.
Stop knocking shit down!
It's not like it took over his color. Just love playing with this tap. I like it.
Okay. I have no idea where I'm going.
My massaging your hand.
I got myself lost to dead!
Samurai say ha ha.
Oh, I got that one.
You did?
Dead body, going in a fucking circle.
They made so many Slenderman games. I can't count. They should make a Slenderman game with museum.
I don't think we want this one, do we?
I don't think so. You know, like call it like Slender Aquarium.
I actually think they have one
Shut up.
of those. Mr. Head!
Foolish head. You can't have this head.
Did we get the one that was down here?
No, I don't think so. No. Now that we got the fourth one, Slenderman surely should pop up. Yes. I'm back already.
Oh god. Go! Run! Run! Fuck me!
That was
I could have got away too. But it's slender. Think that's enough? It's gonna be so bright.
I don't want to play. Keep playing.